I'm Danielle. Welcome to a yoga class for little yogi bears. How would you like to start? By putting your hands together at your heart. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed or however you feel best comfortable. And we'll sing a Namaste song. Namaste, Namaste is what we say, is what we say. It means peace and love to you and all your friends too. Namaste, Namaste. And then shall we stand up and stretch? Reach up high into the sky, up on your tippy toes. And then reach all the way down to your toes. See if you can nod your head yes. And shake your head no. Put your feet together. Come up halfway. Put your hands back down and step back onto your knees. Oops. Just move my little unicorns. Would you like to do cat-cow? So drop your tummies down, stick your head up and your bottom up into the sky like a big cow and go moo. And then arch your back up nice and high like a kitty cat. What noise does cats make? Meow. And another moo, cow again. Drop your tummies and arch back up like a cat. Meow. Tuck your little tippy toes under. Move your hands forward. Lift your bottoms high up into the sky into downward dog. And what noise does your dog make? And then we'll come down into frog pose. So get down into a low squat. Put your elbows and your arms inside your knees like a little frog and do a little bounce. And shall we sing Three Little Speckled Frogs? Three little speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool. Let's do a big jump. Phew. Where it was nice and cool. Then there were two little speckled frogs. Two little speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into a pool. Shall we jump higher this time? Whee! Where it was nice and cool. Now there is one little speckled frog. Rub it, rub it. One little speckled frog sitting on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool. Ready? Where it was nice and cool. Now there are no little speckled frogs. Yay! Let's sit down onto our knees. Now my legs are really, really nice and warm, so yours should be too. So sit back on your heels, or if you prefer, sit down in between both feet, whichever is most comfortable for you. And shall we sing The Wheels on the Bus? Ready? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. And then move to sit with your legs crossed And we'll do a side stretch for the wipers. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. And let's do a great big heart opening stretch. The doors on the bus go open and close, all the way back. Open and close, open and close. The doors on the bus go open and close, all through the town. Shall we do some animal poses before we finish? So bring the soles of your feet together. Flap your beautiful little butterfly wings, nice and gently. Where's your butterfly going today? Now let's see if we can fly up really high. Big stretch, tall spine, head up to the sky. Big stretch as you flap your wings. And now I think maybe our butterflies need a rest. So bring your little butterfly head down to your toes. Bring your nose as close as you can go to your toes. Let your butterfly rest after his big adventure. And now let's lay on our tummies. And we'll do a cobra snake pose. So put your arms down by your sides, lift up. What noise does your snake make? And one more cobra.